Well, hi guys, thanks ever so much for tuning in. I thought we would try something a little bit different just to break up the regular maintenance videos. Of course, we're going to carry on doing them as well, but introducing Friday Forfeits, where I try and achieve a certain challenge, and if not, there's going to be a forfeit to play for as well. Vicky, come on in. Today's challenge, the wonderful Vicky has volunteered just about to be the other person that I'm going to be challenging against. Now, the challenge for today is that I have to replace an inner tube and a tyre in a set amount of time, get it all back together again, and if I don't manage it, I get a bucket or two of water over me, but if I do manage it, you're the one who's forfeited.
Great.
Sound good?
Yeah, great.
So, how long do you think I should allow?
How long do you think you can do it in?
I've never done it before. I don't know. At a push, I reckon I could do it in 3.5 minutes.
Okay, let's go 3 minutes then.
3 minutes?
Yeah, because I don't want it. So let's go 3 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to get cold and wet, aren't I?
Yeah.
It was my idea. Friday Forfeits today to change an inner tube and a tyre, put it all back on again in under 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Okay.
On.
Challenge accepted. Let's see how we get on. Okay, I think we're there. We've got a new inner tube, we've got the tyre levers, and we've also got this bad boy tyre lever as well. I'm actually putting the original tyre back on because it's just a challenge, but when you put on road bike tyres often, they are really tight to get the last few inches of the bead over the rim. That might be the case even in this one because it's not terribly old, so that's where this comes into play. If I don't need to use it, then I'll show you how to use it in another video. Just as a disclaimer, this is not how you replace an inner tube and tyre normally. This is purely for a challenge, purely for entertainment. This is my bike wheel. This is off my road bike. I wouldn't dream of treating someone else's tyre and tube like this. Anyway, I've got a challenge to meet and a forfeit to beat. So let's give this a go. On my mark, get set, go. First thing, to get air out of the inner tube. Excellent. Then get the tyre lever on. Hook underneath, whip round, and that is already off, which is wonderful. Obviously I'm going to keep the tyre, but I'm not going to be keeping the inner tube. So inner tube is going, and normally this is where you put the new tyre on. Obviously if it was a puncture, you're going to be checking for thorns and reasons for the puncture in the first place, but as I say, this is purely for an entertainment value, purely for a challenge. See if I can do it. Okay, so tyre's getting on, it's getting on nicely, and we are getting there. So the first part is to put half of the bead, as in half the tyre, onto the rim. There we go, all the way around. Now we get the new inner tube, we chuck this in place. Now it's a good idea to inject a little bit of air into the inner tube just to give it a tiny bit of shape, otherwise it can easily kink and such like. I've already unfurled it and left it out for about an hour or so, but nevertheless, normally definitely invest some extra time injecting a bit of air inside. Anyway, look, it's getting there, it's getting its shape, and I think that's about there. So now we can think about putting it on properly. There we go. I have no clue if I'm managing the time on this or not. We'll see. But it's working itself in nicely. It gets in there. This is where the tyre might get stuck and the tube might get stuck inside the tyre. If it pinches it while inflating, you're going to pop your inner tube. Like I said earlier on, don't ever do this normally. Okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm really struggling actually. So I might not do it in the time it's given. It might be me that's getting wet. I hope not. It's freezing outside. Okay. Last bit's in. Use my fingers to help it on, and we are definitely catching the inner tube there, so you've got to be really careful, particularly with road bike tyres, but I think we're in business. Quick pump up, and normally you have a quick check to make sure there's no bulges. We're okay, and we are there. Whip that off, tighten that up, get the nut to go on afterwards. What am I doing? There we go. Get that on as well. Excellent. And then finally get the cap, and we are done. I don't know whether I've done that in the time or not, but we shall see. I really hope so, because I don't want to get soaked. And I'm talking like a runaway train. The adrenaline, it's all too much. Anyway, that's how we do it. Obviously not in real life. It was just a challenge. Let's see if I've done it, and let's see if I've beaten the time. Okay, so the challenge is complete, and I think you gave me 3.5, wasn't it?
No, I gave you 3. No, I
Three
gave you 3.
minutes.
It's definitely 3.
Okay, well, the adjudicator, the independent adjudicator has timed it, and they have declared that I actually managed it in under 3 minutes. So it's you, that is going to be getting the buckets of water today in our first Friday forfeit challenge.
We never negotiated with the cold or hot, did we?
Now I've got one that's really cold, but just because I'm in a good mood and it's actually quite chilly today, despite the sun, I've also got a nice warm bucket to finish off with as well.
Woo!
That's fair, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's get going. Okay, here we go. Well done. Well done.
It's cold. It's so cold. Warm
Are you
now
ready for the
would be
warm?
good. Yeah, that'd be great.
Oh, how's that?
Yeah, that's lovely.
That's
Oh
much
my
better.
god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Could you have made it any colder?
Was that better?
Yeah, that was better.
Okay, so that is our first Friday forfeit challenge. Obviously, we're going to keep doing the bike maintenance videos, but I think we'll do some bike related forfeits from time to time, shall we?
We will. And water, you'll get wet next time.
Love it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to subscribe and to like the channel. That will give us inspiration to carry on doing things like this. In the meantime, I think we'll get this one indoors because she looks proper frozen. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.
Bye-bye.